So I was very kindly gifted this package from Boba, and yeah, I'm going to be making some boba fruit tea today. I'm very excited. So I'll show you what they've actually sent me. So the first thing it comes with is instructions. You get some straws, some jasmine tea bags, 2 packets of tapioca pearls. These are vegan as well. So I've got everything I need here. Oh, forget the baby wipes, they're not part of it. And I've also got my instructions, which I will be following to make it. So I'm going to start by making the tapioca pearls. So this is the instructions for it. So this recipe is actually for 2 servings. So I'm going to half everything that it says because I'm only making it for me. Just going to boil the kettle because this is what I need first. So I'm going to start by adding in 20 grams of the pearls. It doesn't look like a lot, but I mean, that will be enough for 1 person. I'm just going to fill it up with like boiling water now. So the heat is on and I'm going to keep stirring them. I'm just going to like keep stirring. Okay, so I've left them to rest for like half an hour. So now I'm going to drain them out. And I'm just running them with the cold water as well. Okay, so they're now ready and waiting on to making the tea. I'm going to start by adding 250 milliliters of boiling water to my jug. And then I'll add in my tea bag and leave it to like brew for a bit. In the water goes. And I've got jasmine tea bags, so I'm just going to add one of these in. Okay, I lie, I'm not doing 250 because that's for 2 people, so I'm going to do 125 with 1 tea bag rather than 250 with 2, because obviously, again, I'm just making it for me. And I'm just going to leave that to brew for a bit. On the instructions, the next step says to use like a protein shake or a cocktail shaker, and unfortunately I don't have one of them. So I'm just going to improvise and do it in a bowl and just like mix it with a spoon because I've done that before and it's worked. So the next step after the tea bag is brewed is to add in some of the syrup, and I've chosen to go for passion fruit because I'm quite fancying a bit of passion fruit. Now I'm going to pour in a bit of the syrup and give it a mix. This smells so good. I've transferred it into this bowl and I'm now going to add the ice. The ice is in there and I'm now going to start stirring it. I'm now going to add my tapioca pearls into this glass. I'm going to finish off by pouring in the tea. And there we have it. Okay, so this tastes super yummy. I definitely found the instructions super helpful and it was actually really fun to make. Definitely recommend. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll leave all the links to Bubble Pop Boba in the description. A big thank you to them for sending me this package. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.